The diagram shows the curve with the equation root x plus root y equals 3, where points A and B are the intercepts of this curve. Yeah, we can see A is the x-intercept and B is the y-intercept there. A tangent is drawn to the curve at the point P14. Show that the equation of the tangent is as shown. Okay, so what we have is x to the half plus y to the half equals 3. And so if we differentiate that implicitly with respect to x, we get a half x to the negative a half plus a half y to the negative a half dy dx is equal to 0. Just tidying that, that's 1 over 2 root x plus 1 over 2 root y dy dx is equal to 0. So if we use 1, 4, x is 1, y is 4, that gives us a half, so the square root of 4 is 2, plus a quarter of dy dx equals 0. So 1 quarter dy dx is equal to negative a half, multiply both sides by 4, and dy dx is equal to negative 2. So that's the gradient at that point. And then I can just use y equals mx plus c, or as I prefer, y minus y1 is mx minus x1. And then we've got, so we're at 1, 4, so y take away 4 is equal to negative 2, x take 1. So y minus 4 is negative 2x plus 2. And rearranging that gives me 2x plus y equals 6 as required. So what we're now asked to do is determine the exact value of the shaded region. I'm actually going to work on that up here where I can see the graph. So I know that this is at 1 because we're actually given that. And if we think about this line, 2x plus y equals 6, where does that actually cross the x-axis? Well, when y is 0, so this is at 3. And we also like the coordinates of a, which is when y is 0, so root x equals 3, so a is at 9. So what I'm going to do is the integral under the curve, take away the triangle. So we need, for the integral of y dx, so what we have here is that root y is equal to 3 take away root x, and so y would be 3 minus root x all squared. So we're going to have the integral, so our area is going to be the integral from 1 to 9 of 3 minus root x squared dx, and then we're going to take away the triangle, which is a half times the base of the triangle we can see is 2, times the height of the triangle we know is 4. Now this is a calculator paper, so we can just use the class pad to do that integration for us. So we've got the integral from 1 to 9 of 3 take away the square root of x squared dx. So that gives us 8. Take away 4, giving us 4 square units.